Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, I am back in the last month of Umkhokha the Curse. We are truly saying goodbye and I am not ready. So let us start with uSibusiso noSibali. Right, I think you guys have been seeing the live stories and also in all the other channels where I have a temp. I've been talking about Umkhokha the Curse and the love story around Sibahle and uSibusiso. uSibusiso is the guy that he thinks he is currently because he is showing uSibahle all the love that uSibahle deserves. And I am happy for a change ukuthi uSibusiso uthole girl ongasi slay queen, a girl that is not after money, a girl that actually sees him. Okay, labon. Unlike that Nobuntu's friend, remember? The one that was actually looking for Umkhululi and ended up doing izinto nomkhululi, then after azoqhomela umkamkhululi nokubonga. Niyakhumbula mosleso story. Yeah, but nonetheless uSibahle usemathandweni, uSibahle uzibona Mrs Maphalala, inkinga ukuthi akayiboni ubaba wakhe lo nonsense. Ubaba akayiboni leyo nonsense, ubaba akadlali kanjalo, ubaba akafuni ukusondela lapho. But here's the thing, I think ukuthi uNdlovu the day laba bathi bayalobolana bayashada uzophola uyovuka agijima, yazi agijimiswa yini ukuthi yamazi ukuthi uSibusiso ubeka itsotsi enye strong gabi. But do I think ukuthi uSibusiso ushintshile? I honestly do, because uZamcolo was able to change from the guy that he was to the guy that he is currently. So I also have hope uSibusiso ukuthi ushintshile. So our couple has a park date. They're supposed to go as a couple together, but uSibusiso said, no, don't worry, no worries, bring your father. Yo, no, uSibusiso has changed. Uyangisurprise Hashem. Nina nimbona kanjani? Okay, asichubekeni. Seyihleli-ke ikhapuli yethu epark, inkuthando ludaya amashit akhuluma uSibahle ukuthi hey ngike ngathi ngizama ukufola in love, ubaba maqada efuna ukungishadisa noZamcolo kwangahambi kahle. Hey but ngiyaqala ukubonwa yindoda. Yeah, kayizini uSibahle. Hayi Sibahle umarato uSibusiso ampeke ngalamehlo lokuthi yazini nje iyahamba lento. And into engithanda ngomkhokha iwani ngiyashadwa kumkhokha guys. Nina nijola uJesu azabuya nitholeni semjolweni. Mo uJesu ubuya kuthole kuphi? Phakathi inside marriage. Ikhapuli yethu. But I see isunana. Ndlovu can see everything, but he can't stand. No talk, no ask, like no say anything, no scream. Like this is the proper punishment. This is the proper punishment uNdlovu deserves after everything that he has done. uNdlovu deserves this, guys. Correct me if I'm wrong. uNdlovu deserves this. Luna, yo, I know. Let us continue ngabanye. uNdlovu into ezenzakala kuye yo kube indaba kaGabisile. Hey, angisho yakhumbula ukuthi uGabisile unemfihlo. If when you did not know the secret, isecret le abakhuluma ngayo affect abantu bakaMthembu, it can only be one secret yokuthi lo uMamzobe uphoyizine ubani lo baba uMvelase, right? And remember uMamzobe uye wathumela bani uGabigel. So meaning ukuthi uGabisile umkhokha uzomlandela until aze akhiphe leso spear, and of which that secret would make sense now since this is the last month of Umkhokha the Curse. So meaning ukuthi yonke into mele iphume. And those that know better are saying on X that grave that we see on the picture yomkhokha, right, it might be a grave kaMamzobe. Angikwazi mina lokho, angikwazi uku-analyze lezo. Engizazi ukuthi bambuyisele uGayi uGabigela aqela ukuya ekhaya, abuyiselwe uSifociya achazele uPhakathwayo, asaqeda ukuchathela uPhakathwayo uSifociya, uMamzobe hayi abuza uphakathi ukuthi kwenzakalani, uphakathi atshela uMamzobe, phela uphakathi uthemba uMamzobe noma simazi ukuthi uMamzobe engisho yilana arrest utsotsi. uMamzobe athi 1 + 1 ayibona ukuthi iqondane naye, athi ngiqela ukukhuluma noGabisile, bathi brika ngwanyana usikashiyana mina I'll talk to Gabisile. But we all know ukuthi uMamzobe uflyer kangakanani ngisho. uMamzobe uflyer into strong gabi. Uyofika kuGabisile avala uGabisile umlomo. My question is, will uGabisile sacrifice her womb for the secret, or will uGabisile share the secret so that her child could live? Like angazi nibona kanjani. And worst part engihlekisile ukuthi uGabisile did not tell umuntu wakhe the secret, right? Only that she needs to go to be with her mother because there are things that she needs to sort out. But buza ke, while going to her mom, Ulwazi rather concluded that his mom had something to do with the whole thing, right? Ulwazi then decided to go to his mom and tell his mom where to get off and say uthanda ungathanda uGabisile ngiyamthanda da. But this time around the mother had nothing to do with it. Like girl was very innocent on this one. Hayi Gabi Gelge aye ekamereni ahlale ekamereni, ugirl traumatized, stressed, ake uphakathwayo afika ukuphakathwayo akhulume naye. Uphakathwayo makalokho ambuza ukuthi ukhuluma mntana, the only thing that is running in my mind is that uzongena uzobelicious and disrupt the whole thing and interrupt the whole thing, and then the whole secret thing igcine ingayenzeki. Understand? uGabisile asahleli lapha atshela ubaba ukuthi akusi next, ubaba can reassure ukuthi there's nothing you can say or do that will make me see you in a different light. You are my daughter, I love you. Hayi uGabisile athi no, ahale ngesphiri. But the only thing while she was busy refusing to tell was ubaba lo ahamba phakathi kwengqondo yakhe, right? Ubaba lo athi khipha into, otherwise umntanakho is not going to see the light of day. Hayi uGabisile wasukuma. Ngaleso sikhathi ngimemeza and ngibukele efonini ngigibele phezulu kwetafule ngithukwe. Buza Gabisile aye esipilini, azibuke esipilini, phakathi kwayo amlandele ambambe the shoulder, right? Like that touch yokuthi all is well, you know. uGabisile azwe that comfort yokuthi all is well, akhulume athi yimi engaqisha umthembu. Bra yo uphakathi amehlo wakhe they scared me. I was so scared. But guys, I hope this is not a dream. I hope uGabisile is not dreaming or anything. I hope the truth is finally out. But uMamzobe's biggest secret is out, and it was not taken out by uZamcolo. Remember, uZamcolo already knows this secret because uye wayo confessa uMamzobe kuye, and then umthembu wathi it's not his battle to fight. Niyakhumbula ngisho leyo part? I-battle kabani ke? I can't wait for tomorrow. Guys, in asihlanganeni la kusasa, same time, same place, same everything. This is your girl, Disebo D. I love you. Peace. Subscribe, like, share, do everything. Let us grow and go back to where we were. I love you. Peace. Bye.